how to add friends in Duolingo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to connect with more people on Duolingo? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your Duolingo app, then go to the three dots in the bottom right, tap on profile, and there you'll see add friends option right there. Just tap on it, and now you can find your friends from your contacts. So if you choose from contacts, then you'll need to allow access to contacts to Duolingo, and you can do it through your settings. So whoever is in your contacts that uses Duolingo will appear here, or you can search by name. You can ask for the username and then just search their username and then send them a request by tapping on the plus icon, and then you can share follow link as well. So you can just tap on this and then you'll get a link, or you'll get a QR code. You can send it to the friends and they can add you through this, or you can also scan their QR code and add them. So it's as simple as that to add friends in Duolingo. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.